Next two boxes are from Amazon. I ordered these shoes from Amazon. They are available at Amazon and also in different retailers, in different stores. But I got them at Amazon because they were on a special that day. Let's see. What I like about Amazon is that it's very easy to return, and that's why I choose to buy this type of shoes with Amazon or from Amazon, because I can just schedule the pickup and they come and pick them up, and I don't have to go to the mail to return them. I really don't like to do that. So let me show you. These are sneakers. Oops, I broke the paper. These are white slip-on sneakers, and these are from the brand UGG. I never owned shoes from this brand, but I had boots, and the boots are really comfortable. That's why I decided to buy sneakers from them, and I'm going to try them on and see. They smell good, new shoes. And see if they fit me and if they are comfortable. If I feel that they are comfortable, well, in reality, the shoes, we need to walk with them to see if they fit well. This is on the number 6, and they are white with the golden or beige decor in the back. I really don't know the specifications on this type of shoes. I just ordered them because the boots are very comfortable and this is the first time I'm going to wear shoes, sneakers from this brand. And these are on the number 6. Let's try them and see if they look nice. The sole is a little bit thick, but not too thick. And the upper part seems like it's leather, and the inside is kind of suede leather. The sole is a little bit thick. I don't know how tall they are. I'm gonna leave the link for you to check all the specification on the shoes, and I'm just gonna show you how they look like on me. So this is the white sneakers with the beige decor in the back. Let me show you the second pair. I'm melting with all these slides. And this is just the beginning of the video. This is my second Amazon shoes, and also from the same brand, UGG. These are black. I ordered the whites and the blacks.